Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show my progress. I have made this water shader. It has subsurface scattering that is not accurate, but it is cool and looks great. I made this water shader before in my other game. I take it for this game too. Also, I have day night cycle. Also, I had this made some UI. So I made it to sync with real time. So it is the one name. So it's night. Let's enter name. Also, I had get this boot pack from Unity Access Store. Also, only server can start the race. So this is my chat system. This also works for clients. Yes. There is one problem. This board control is not smooth. I don't know why, but I fix it later. Also, if you notice, I have bring up the wavelength of the water, so it's not aggressive. Also, if you notice, the foreground mask is also changed based on the time. Also, here it is the scoreboard. My plan is when the if race is started, I have a drone model, then player can view other players race against in the drone, but they can't real join because race has started. So that's it.